She wanna know me, I stay low.
What's up, guys? Today's another hair vlog. I have on a hat, as you can see. We need our hair done. Today, Tinashe hair is getting us right for the weekend. We got some new hair in, and I'm super excited about this one. Let me show you. I am running late to my little hair appointment, but let me go ahead and show you. This is a 24-inch lace front wig, and we got some highlights. This seems like some honey blonde highlights. I have been switching between the light blonde to some honey blonde. Like, each of these have some different type of blonde going on. Let me show you what this blonde is doing. What this blonde is doing, girl. This is what we wearing for the weekend. I love this extra blonde on this side. You see that? Like in the front, it seems like it has a little bit more blonde layers right there. So cute. This is the hairline. We are going to have to bleach the knots at the salon, but not too bad. As you guys can see, look. The wigs have bands already in there, so snug fit. Here we are. Let's go get our unit installed. Of course, we have other goodies. These are the other goodies. Boom. We got a wig cap. We got a bonnet. Ooh, a burgundy bonnet. Eyelashes. A band, clips, everything you need. Everything you need. Let's go install her. Alright guys, so this is me walking into the salon all incognito with my hat on. If I'm wearing a hat, it's probably hair day. And I pack a bag so I can bring my wig inside and my camera stand, because you know I gotta get that content. Also, I'm showing you guys that we did bleach the knots. This is the knots being bleached on the unit, so you get that nice scalp look. After this, I head over to the chair. My hair is already braided up underneath, so I'm hiding, as you guys can see with the little hat hide. But the hat's off now. We're putting the unit on and bleaching the knots. Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? Amazing. Amazing. Also, absolutely love this color. This color is so beautiful. It's definitely giving like a Beyonce type of blonde, multi-dimensional. So we're going to go ahead and put that glue on. With the glue, you want to make sure that this glue is drying clear before you even reach up to touch that lace and melt it down. So we're just going to sit right here and let our, glue dry. I was feeling the color a little bit. So now we're getting our hair installed on and it's getting melted down. The next step we're about to get into is laying this lace. Once we lay this lace down, I like my unit secured on my head. So my stylist sews me down in the back, makes sure that my wig units are extra flat. This is a personal preference that I like mine sewed down, okay? Hot girl summer, this thing can't come off, babes, okay? So she's always sewn down. My stylist know what I like. Sew me down, flatten me out. So that's what we're doing.
Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up. Trying to fall through. I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna we was raised a little different. I used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your ribcage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up. But I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me.
You guys, we're not even done yet. Lace is still on. But look. Just do a little bit. You see the fluffiness? 10K likes in the live. Ooh. Jayance in the building. I told y'all I was gonna bump like this.
I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, and I'm sending gratitude back, cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky, we gon' make it if we try, the truth never lie, wings we could fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah. Always greener on the other side, and we gon' make it out the struggle though we traumatized. I used to take this life for granted, I apologize.
Alright guys, so we just finished up my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair install. I'm heading out.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah.